Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-performance memory with the G.Skill Trident C Royal F44000C1AQ128 GTRS. If you're looking to take your PC to the next level, this kit might just be the ticket. Packing a massive 128GB capacity spread across 4 32GB modules, this DDR4 4000MHz RAM is a powerhouse, ideal for demanding tasks like video editing, rendering, and intense gaming sessions. Let's talk aesthetics first because, let's face it, that's often what catches our eye first. The Trident Z Royal series has always been synonymous with luxury, and this kit is no exception. The sleek, polished aluminum heat spreaders are adorned with crystalline light bars that shimmer and shine, adding a touch of elegance to any build. Whether your PC is tucked away under your desk or displayed proudly on your setup, these modules are sure to turn heads. But looks aren't everything, and thankfully, the Trident Z Royal doesn't disappoint in terms of performance either. With a clock speed of 4000 MHz and tight timings, this kit delivers lightning-fast data transfer rates, ensuring snappy responsiveness and smooth multitasking. Whether you're crunching numbers in a spreadsheet or fragging enemies in your favorite FPS, the Trident Z Royal keeps up with ease. Of course, with great power comes a price tag to match, and this kit certainly isn't cheap. However, if you're serious about performance and demand nothing but the best, the investment is well worth it. Plus, with G.Skill's reputation for quality and reliability, you can rest easy knowing your system is in good hands. In conclusion, the G.Skill Trident Z Royal F44000C1AQ128 GTRS is a top-tier memory kit that delivers both in terms of aesthetics and performance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or simply someone who refuses to settle for anything less than the best, this kit deserves serious consideration. So why wait? Upgrade your system today and experience the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.